Hello बच्चों, good morning. Today we are going to start this poem Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda. Pablo Neruda is not his real name, it is his pen name. His real name was Neftali Ricardo Reis Besalto. He was born in the town of Peral in Chile. Chile is the name of country. Pablo Neruda got Nobel Prize for Literature in 1971. He was a well known and very famous poet of the world. What does the little title of the poem suggest to you? What do you think the poem is about? Now, start the poem. Now I will count to 12 and we will all keep still for once on the face of the earth. Let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. It would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and men gathering salt would look at his hurt hands. Those who prepare green wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade, doing nothing. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. If we were not so single minded about keeping our lives moving and for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. Perhaps the earth can teach us, as when everything seems dead, that later proves to be alive. Now I will count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. So this is very philosophical, very meaningful, very symbolic poem. Uh, Line by line, we will try to know what is the meaning, because this poem is packed with meanings. Now I will count 12 and you will keep still. Poet is saying that he will count 12 and we will all keep still. So this is a strange thing why poet is saying to count 12, because generally we count up to 3, 1, 2, 3, then start. Or if we want to count longer, then also we count up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We never count up to 12. So why here poet has written to count up to 12? So here 12 means months. 12 means months. And we will all keep still. Here poet is requesting everyone that he will count 12 and everyone should become still. Still means still. Still means quiet. Stop your activities. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Poet is requesting to everyone that those who are living on the earth, all human beings, for once, for 1 second, not stop, not speak in any language, because language divides. We have read the last lesson. In the last lesson, one type of language imposed on the other type of language. Language divides. So poet is requesting that for once, for 1 second, for 1 day, for 1 minute, we should stop speaking any language. We should remain silent. We should not speak any language. Without language, this world will be very good. Let's stop for 1 second. Poet is requesting that for 1 second we all should stop and not move our arms so much. And we should not move our arms so much. Arms, this is this line indicates about war. We should not move our arms so much. We should not, arms means our hands, and second meaning arms is our weapons. Arms means weapons, arms means hands. So we should not move our weapons so much, we should not move our arms so much, because whenever we will move our arms, means weapons or hands, there will be violence, and violence is not fruitful. It is only engulfing humanity, it is only wasting, it is only destroying humanity. So for 1 minute, stop everyone. He is requesting to everyone, stop and stop moving your arms. It would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden stillness. Suppose everyone stops in the world. So it would be an exotic moment. It would be a wonderful moment. It would be a very amazing moment, an amazing time. Without rush, there will not be any rush because there will not be any cutthroat competitions. There will not be anyone in hurry. Everyone will be silent. Everyone will be quiet. Everyone will be peaceful. There will not be any hurry. There will not be any haste. There will not be any rat racing. Without engines, we would all be together in a sudden stillness. So without engine is actually hurry. When we are hurry, we want to go school, when we want to go office, we want to go our shops, and daily we become so tense. Daily we live in a world of competition. Every businessman, every shopkeeper, every professional, and every student, everyone is living in a time of competition. And this competition is not only giving tension, this competition is giving impetus to violence also. That's why poet is saying that without engine, we should be without engine means we should not have engine. Engine means one thing which excite our movement, that is called engine. Which excite engine. What is the work of engine? Engine moves the train, or engine moves the car, or any machine. So engine in our body moves us. So without engine, when we will be without engine means no one will move us, and we will remain silent without any work. So here poet is saying, for 1 minute be silent without engine. We would all be together. Yes, then there will not be any enemy. We all be friend. We all be together in a sudden stillness. Although we are not knowing each other or one another, but we will be together in a sudden stillness, because we will not speak any language and we will not do anything. So okay बच्चों, the next stanza will be taught in the next class.